let's make a marg. So Tajin is a spice, it's a seasoning, and it's got lots of different, there's a chili powder element, there's some salt, but it's very lime forward. It's super cool. So I thought, wouldn't this be a great garnish for a margarita? So in your plate or whatever vessel you're going to use to rim your marg, just pour some in there. You don't need to go bananas because you're going to end up throwing most of it away. And just to augment with a little bit of coarse salt. Then we'll take a lime. I'm going to cut a wedge. So in half. And this is where you take your knife and kind of go down the middle. Whoop, 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 whoop. That creates like a little slice in all of the slices. And then we'll cut that into eighths. And then we take one of those eighths with our line already cut in it. Pro tip, you just roll it in there. So that's kind of a handsome presentation, I think. I don't know if you're really picking up on that from that far away. So we can get that out of the way. Our glass has been rimmed with the Tajin and some coarse salt. So let's mix this thing. Here's our tequila. 2 ounces, please. Great. And then we're going to do, I would say, 3 ounces of our sour mix. We'll flip over to the other side here. And we're going to want to give this a really vigorous shake because the whole point is to get it kind of like frothed up. That should be good. And then just into our you want to make sure you rim the glass first because it gets pretty hard to do after. Oh my goodness. Let's just take a minute to enjoy. Let's just enjoy. I love that you can't see through it. Can we zoom in there? Whoa! Anyway, here's our margarita. Tajin, it's nice and opaque and frothy looking. It's got like a little bit of a head to it, like not quite like the amount that you'd have on a beer, but it's nice and aerated. Man, this looks good. There's Tajin. Fun. I'm happy with how that came out. This has been Happy Hour brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this cocktail and many other cocktails at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone. That's Smart Move. Why? What to buy, where to buy, what to do, what to get it. Wait. It's hard drink. And you can follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits. But as always, please drink deliciously like this. Drink like this and responsibly.